Hello! This video is specially generated for job seekers that are in need of finding a job, applying for all different positions available in the market, and are tired of creating a tailored resume every single time when a new job comes along. So I've created a basic GPT utilizing ChatGPT, and I'll show you first of all how to access it. If you don't have ChatGPT account yet, you can go to openai.com, and when you click on login, scroll over to ChatGPT. Of course, I already have the account, so I'm logged in, but the system in general would ask you to create the account. To access my resume builder, you can just simply use the link that I've shared in a comment, or you can go directly to ChatGPT, click GPTs, and in the search, you can find it as well. Resume Builder, ATS Matcher, Job Seekers Mentor, start chat, and then you can continue the conversation with the system. So how to start? The system will give you directions on what it needs. So any resume that you have previously created, you can upload. You can also copy and paste or write information that you think are important or beneficial for the resume. Copy or paste or upload the job description. I've already copied the job description from the job posting. Obviously, any additional details you'd like the system to concentrate on, here is the time to add it, and then the system will then continue analysis. So we'll tell you where you have the strong matches, any potential gaps from CV provided versus the job description. Additionally, before drafting the actual resume, it will ask questions. What experience do you have based on the requirements in the job description? So you can just answer it here and the system will. So I've answered the questions and waiting for the system to respond. So it evaluates feedback provided, whatever is missing, and then it's asking me what would I like to continue with. So I just want simple resume, 2-page, and let's see. Okay, so the system started generating the profile summary, snapshot, competencies, and the experience. It kind of relates to what I've already had before in the resume. It gives me the matching score based on the information provided versus the job description, and then we'll ask follow-up questions. Am I satisfied with what's provided? Do I want to make changes? Obviously, this is the time where you can continue asking additions. I need this resume in download format. Usually it does it, not sure why it only copied and pasted in here. Okay, so it generated resume. I can just open this up, and it's very simple format. So this is when you can enable, complete, edit, copy, paste, make additional changes, whatever works best. Obviously, if you want any additions, you can continue collaborating with ChatGPT. But for this example, I want cover letter. So the system once again will analyze the job description, will look into my experience, and will provide cover letter tailored specifically to this job. And then from that, obviously we can make the changes if we want to. But let's say I want interview prep with good answers examples. So let's see what the system will show. Okay, we'll generate some behavioral, technical, functional questions, and it will even, so tell me about the time you design a training, and it will look into the STAR approach, giving potential answers to each of the questions. So it is beneficial to continue preparing for the interview once you are invited for it, and play with the tool to whatever extent you want. If you have any questions, send me a message. I hope it is beneficial, but then also if you need any additional activities for this GPT to perform, let me know, and I can continue making edits and updates for different versions. And good luck with your job applications!